Hey PC Polysine, Katie here. In this video, we are going to explore some of the most commonly used cutting tools while working with polymer clay. The first cutting tool is the craft knife. These knives commonly have detachable blades, and different blades produce different cuts in your clay. Here, the craft knife is used to cut straight lines in raw clay. The craft knife can also be used to trace stencils and shapes. Place your stencil on the raw clay and gently trace the shape with your craft knife. The next cutting tool is the tissue blade. Originally, these blades were used in the medical field to cut paper-thin samples. In polymer clay, we use the tissue blade to make precise cuts. Tissue blades come in two forms: flexible, which allows you to change the shape of your cut, or rigid, allowing for a straight cut. The flexible blade seen here is bent into a curved shape to cut the raw clay. The rigid blade is mostly used to cut straight lines into your clay. Similar to the tissue blade, the wavy blade, or ripple blade, is used to create corrugated designs when slicing raw clay. The wavy blade is flexible, allowing you to vary your cuts and designs. The cheese slicer can be used to cut thin slices of clay, such as projects using mica shift. The slicers with a metal base and a sharp cutting slot work much better than the wire versions. Commonly used in the kitchen, veggie peelers work great with polymer clay. Use this tool to cut V-shaped designs in your clay. Rotary cutters work in the same way as a pizza wheel. Here we have two designs, the plastic wavy blade and the straight metal blade. Regardless of which rotary cutter you use, place the wheel firmly on the raw clay and roll to produce the cut. Decorative edge scissors are popular for scrapbooking and can be found at your local craft store. These scissors come in many different designs and are great when using polymer clay. Here we are using the scissors to cut the green raw clay as well as the red baked clay. Now that we've explored some of the most commonly used cutting tools while working with polymer clay, it's very important that I remind you that you need to have separate tools in your kitchen and in your studio. These tools don't mix, and tools used for food cannot be used with polymer clay or the other way around. We hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our page. As always, remember you can find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.